In this section, we will provide instruction on setup and configuration of the NY-VIP3 CVIS, including getting started, workstation assembly, Opus CVIS cabinet installation option, VIR printer setup, sticker printer setup, installing the IM Clean OBD device, installing the opacity meter, initializing the NY-VIP3 CVIS. Carefully follow the setup and configuration steps to ensure your NY-VIP3 CVIS workstation performs properly. Failure to follow these instructions may result in system downtime and could void the warranty. It is extremely important that all component cable connections to the micro PC and the powered USB hub are correct. Connections are port-specific. Improper connections will result in failure of the CVIS workstation to operate. To help you make proper connections, both the micro PC and the USB hub come with labeled, color-coded, and numbered port wiring diagrams showing the correct system connections. Additionally, component cables connecting to the micro PC and USB hub have color-coded tie wraps near the cable plug that match the correct position on the port diagrams. Depending on the level of the CVIS workstation you ordered, not all port connections will be used. Components of your CVIS workstation may arrive in a single or multiple shipping boxes, depending on system configuration level. All shipping boxes will have a label indicating your NY-VIP3 CVIS serial number and system configuration. For instance, this system with serial number NY3000027 is a Level 1 safety-only CVIS with a wired barcode. The system level, component configuration, and part number on the label should be consistent with the system you ordered. Component boxes for the order will also have the serial number label. To unpack the system, locate and open the customer information packet attached to the outside of one of the workstation shipping boxes. From the packet, remove the packing slip. Next, carefully open the shipping boxes and remove the component boxes. Examine the contents for any shipping damage. Verify that you have received all components listed on the packing slip. If there is damage or your CVIS workstation order is missing components, contact the Opus Help Desk at 1-866-OBD-TEST, 1-866-623-8378. For a base Level 1, safety-only CVIS workstation, you should have the following components: a micro PC workstation with keyboard, mouse, cables, and power adapter with cord, a monitor with cable and power cord, a mountable web camera with cable, a powered USB hub and power adapter, a wired barcode scanner with cable, or a wireless scanner with docking station and cable, a laser printer with toner, cable, and power cord, a thermal sticker printer with take-up rollers, cable, and power adapter with cord. Base CVIS options include a shop-compatible storage cabinet, a wireless barcode scanner, wireless Wi-Fi internet connectivity. For a Level 2 Safety and OBD CVIS workstation, you should have all the components of the Level 1 CVIS, plus these additional components: a wired IM Clean OBD vehicle interface with vehicle cable, power adapter, and check cable. Level 2 CVIS options include a shop-compatible storage cabinet, a wireless package with a wireless barcode scanner, wireless Wi-Fi internet connectivity, and wireless OBD interface communications. For a Level 3 Safety and Integrated Opacity CVIS workstation, you should have all the components of the Level 1 CVIS, plus these additional components: a wired portable opacity meter, a heated exhaust hose with exhaust probe tip and extension handle, handheld digital tachometer and oil temperature tool with battery and vibration sensors. Level 3 CVIS options include a shop-compatible storage cabinet, a portable cart for the opacity meter, a wireless package with a wireless barcode scanner and wireless Wi-Fi internet connectivity. For a Level 4 Safety, OBD, and Integrated Opacity CVIS workstation, you should have all the components of the Level 1 CVIS, plus these additional components: a wired IM Clean OBD vehicle interface with vehicle cable, power adapter, and check cable, a wired portable opacity meter, a heated exhaust hose with exhaust probe tip and extension handle, handheld digital tachometer and oil temperature tool with battery and vibration sensors. Level 4 CVIS options include a shop-compatible storage cabinet, a portable cart for the opacity meter, a wireless package with a wireless barcode scanner, wireless Wi-Fi internet connectivity, and wireless OBD interface communications. The NY-VIP3 base CVIS differs from the NY-VIP2 system in that the new system has an extra printer for printing inspection certificates on sticker media. If you are installing your system on a workbench, you will need a spot at least 9 inches wide by 12 inches long for the sticker printer. The sticker media and print ribbon load from the top, so you will need to be able to open the printer or reposition the printer for access when changing sticker media, print ribbons, or troubleshooting the sticker printer. If you are installing the system into an NY-VIP2 style cabinet, place the sticker printer into the top lockable section of the cabinet. The workstation's micro PC will be located on the top surface of the cabinet. For demonstration purposes, we will assemble Level 1 and Level 2 CVIS workstation components on a workbench, and we will be installing components for Level 3 and Level 4 CVIS workstations into an Opus NY-VIP2 style cabinet. To begin, remove all workstation components from their packaging. Next, arrange the components and their cables for easy access and assembly. Then, prepare the area where you will be installing the workstation components. Locate the serial number label shipped with your CVIS. Remove the adhesive backing from the serial number label and attach it to the top front of the micro PC. You will need to supply an AC power strip surge protection unit to provide AC power to the CVIS workstation components. Note: Opus recommends the use of either an uninterruptible power supply, UPS, rated at 1200 VA volt amps or greater, or a surge protector rated at 4000 joules minimum. Place the power strip surge protector onto the workbench, leaving the strip unplugged. Connect the micro PC's power adapter's AC cord into the power adapter. Plug the AC cord end into the power strip. Plug the power adapter cable into the micro PC. Next, install the mouse and keyboard. Plug the mouse USB cable end with the purple tie wrap into micro PC USB port 3. Port 3 is color-coded purple on the micro PC's port wiring diagram. Plug the keyboard's USB cable end with the brown tie wrap into the micro PC USB port 1. Assemble the monitor by inserting the monitor stand into the bottom of the monitor. Holding the monitor in an upside-down position, connect an end of the monitor video cable into the DPI slot on the monitor. Plug the female end of the AC power cord into the monitor. Right-side the monitor onto its stand and base. Connect the monitor video cable into the DP1 port on the micro PC. Plug the monitor AC cord end into the power strip. Plug the webcam USB cable end with the yellow tie wrap into microPC USB port 2. Position the webcam to the top of the monitor using the adjustable bracket. Connect the powered USB hub to the microPC using the USB cable provided. Plug the square end of the USB cable into the front of the hub and connect the USB cable end with the blue tie wrap into USB port 4 of the microPC. Connect the powered USB hub power adapter cable into the small round plug in the front of the hub and plug the AC end into the power strip. Install the barcode scanner. For wired barcode scanners, plug the USB end of the barcode scanner cable into the powered USB hub port number 5. Plug the other end of the cable into the bottom of the barcode scanner. Press tightly until the connection clicks and does not come apart. For the wireless barcode scanner option, plug the USB end of the barcode scanner base charger cable into the powered USB hub port number 5. Plug the other end of the cable into the bottom of the base charger. To connect the plain paper VIR printer, plug the VIR printer USB cable end into the powered USB hub port number 6. Plug the other end of the cable into the USB 2 port on the printer. Next, plug the female end of the AC cord into the printer. Plug the AC end of the cord into the power strip. To install the sticker printer, plug the sticker printer USB cable end into the powered USB hub port number 8. Plug the other end of the cable into the USB 2 port on the printer. Plug the printer end of the AC power adapter cable into the printer. Plug the AC end of the cord into the power strip. And finally, plug an Ethernet cable into the shop's broadband internet router. Then, plug the Ethernet cable from the router into the Ethernet port on the microPC. Even if you plan on having a wireless internet connection to the workstation, to initialize the system, you need a wired internet connection. With all the workstation's components and power connections completed, we recommend dressing some of the cables to prevent cable damage or cables becoming unplugged. You can use tape, tie wraps, or even some of the wire ties that the components were shipped with. If you are installing NY-VIP3 CVIS components into an Opus inspection cabinet, the following demonstrates suggested component locations, cable, and power cord routings inside the cabinet. Component port connections and port connection labels for the microPC and powered USB hub are the same as those demonstrated in the Level 1 Workbench CVIS workstation setup. For more information on workstation component installation, refer to the NY-VIP3 installation guide. To begin, place the cabinet in an open area, which allows access to the rear of the cabinet to install components and connect cables and cords. Attach the serial number label to the upper left corner of the rear of the cabinet. Install monitor stand and connect power and video cables to the monitor. To plug the monitor AC cord into the power strip inside the cabinet, snake the power cord through the hole in the back of the cabinet. From the front of the cabinet, plug the monitor's AC into the power strip located on the middle shelf of the cabinet. Install the monitor bracket on top of the cabinet using one screw and secure monitor base using bracket. Place the microPC on top of the cabinet to the right of the monitor. Plug the microPC's AC power adapter into the internal power strip, then snake the power adapter cable through the hole in the back of the cabinet. Plug the power adapter cable into the microPC. Connect the monitor video cable to the DP1 port on the microPC. Place the mouse on top of the cabinet. Open the top drawer of the cabinet, placing the keyboard in the drawer. Feed the keyboard USB cable through the hole in the drawer. Extend the mouse USB cable to the back of the cabinet. Plug the mouse USB cable end with the purple tie wrap into Micro PC USB port 3. Plug the keyboard USB cable end with the orange tie wrap cable into Micro PC USB port 1. Install webcam onto the top of the monitor using the adjustable bracket. Ensure camera lens is facing front of cabinet. Plug the webcam USB cable end with the yellow tie wrap into Micro PC USB port 2. Connect the powered USB hub to the Micro PC using the USB cable provided. Connect the USB cable end with the blue tie wrap into USB port 4 of the Micro PC. Plug the square end of the USB cable into the front of the hub. From the front of the cabinet, plug the USB hub's AC power adapter into the internal power strip, then snake the power adapter cable through the hole in the back of the cabinet. Connect USB hub power adapter cable into the small round plug in the front of the hub. Install the barcode scanner. For wired barcode scanners, plug the USB end of the barcode scanner cable into the powered USB hub port number 5. Plug the other end of the cable into the bottom of the barcode scanner. Press tightly until the connection clicks and does not come apart. For the wireless barcode scanner option, plug the USB end of the barcode scanner base charger cable into the powered USB hub port number 5. Plug the other end of the cable into the bottom of the base charger. To install the VIR printer, plug the square end of the printer communication cable into the USB 2 port on the printer. Then, plug the female end of the AC cord into the printer. Next, slide the VIR printer onto the middle shelf of the cabinet next to the internal power strip. Plug the power cord into the internal power strip. Feed the printer communication cable through the round opening in the rear of the cabinet. Plug the printer communication cable USB end into the powered USB hub port number 6. Prior to installing the sticker printer, carefully remove all adhesive strips inside and outside of the printer. Plug the USB 2 square cable end and the power adapter cable into the rear of the printer. Place the sticker printer into the top, lockable section of the cabinet. Plug the AC end of the power adapter into the internal power strip. Go to the rear of the cabinet and plug the sticker printer USB cable end into the powered USB hub port number 8. To proceed with VIR printer setup, sticker printer setup, or system initialization, plug the power strip into a grounded AC plug receptacle. Next, press the power strip's power button to the on position. To set up the VIR plain paper printer, begin by making sure all the pieces of retaining tape on the outside of the printer have been removed. Check that the toner cartridge is seated correctly in place by pressing on the front door release on the right side of the printer. Pull the toner cartridge out a few inches, then reseat it. Close the front access panel. Load plain white printer paper into the printer by sliding out the paper tray. Adjust the paper holders for 8.5 by 11 paper. Insert some paper. The drawer holds about 250 sheets of paper. Close paper tray drawer. There is a paper level indicator on the face of the drawer that tells you how much paper is in the printer. Add paper when the level gets low. Press the printer power button on the front corner of the printer to turn the printer on. The initialization cycle will begin. You will have to enable the USB port on the printer and initialize the printer for correct operation of the NY-VIP3 software. Initialization may take a few minutes. In the display window, "Connection is detected" message should appear. Use left arrow to select Enable USB. To select language, press right arrow once and use down arrow to select English. Press OK. To select location, use down arrow to highlight United States. Press OK and then right arrow to select Next. To select date format, use down arrow to select month, day, year. Press right arrow twice to select Next, then press OK. Use arrow keys and number pad to set correct date, time, and time zone. Select Next and then OK. The next screen will display other features. Select No. Press right arrow twice and select Next. Select Finish. Job storage and USB drive will be displayed. Press right arrow 5 times to display settings. General will be highlighted. Press OK. Energy settings. Press OK. Sleep settings. Press OK. Enter 119 right arrow. Done. Press OK. The VIR printer is set up for a plug-and-play connection to the workstation. The NY-VIP3 software will recognize the VIR printer during startup. Additional information on VIR printer initialization and assignment can be found in the NY-VIP3 CVIS installation guide. To set up the sticker printer to print on the inspection sticker media, you will need the 2 ribbon adapters and a thermal transfer roll with take-up core. The proper thermal transfer roll may be shipped separate from the sticker printer. Open the printer cover by pressing the latches on both sides of the front of the cover. Press in on the locking tabs to open the print and ribbon mechanism. Remove the plastic shipping retainer from the adjustment slot for the media black mark sensor. Move the sensor slightly left of the printer's center line. Insert one of the ribbon adapters into the transfer roll. Make sure the ribbon feeds off the top of the roll so that it will be ink side facing out. Place the thermal transfer roll between the rear ribbon holders. Insert the other ribbon adapter into the empty ribbon take-up core. Place the empty ribbon take-up core between the front ribbon holders. Make sure that both ribbon adapters are locked into the ribbon wheels on the left side of the print and ribbon mechanism. Lift up the print and ribbon mechanism. Feed the ribbon through the opening of the print and ribbon mechanism. Pull the ribbon forward over the print head and front of the mechanism. Attach the ribbon to the empty take-up core. Check to make sure the dull side of the thermal transfer roll is facing out on the transfer roll. Close the print and ribbon mechanism. Press down until both locking tabs snap into the locked position. Close the printer cover. Press the power switch to turn the printer on. The status LED above the print button will blink green while the printer is warming up. When the LED is lit steady green, the printer is ready for use. Press and hold the print button to advance the transfer ribbon. The status light will blink yellow, waiting for initial calibration. The initial calibration of the sticker printer happens during the initial loading of inspection stickers. This process is covered in the NY-VIP3 Station Management and Administrative Functions section of this program. Additional information on the sticker printer can be found in the NY-VIP3 CVIS installation guide. To add OBD inspection capabilities to your NY-VIP3 CVIS, an IM-Clean OBD device needs to be installed. The device is set up for a plug-and-play connection to the workstation. The NY-VIP3 software recognizes the IM-Clean OBD device during startup and allows access to OBD inspection functions. If you purchased a Level 2 Safety and OBD CVIS or a Level 4 Safety, OBD, and Integrated Opacity CVIS, your system is already configured with OBD software. Connect the IM-Clean OBD device's communication cable with the blue tie wrap USB plug end into the powered USB hub port number 7. Plug the IM-Clean OBD device's power adapter cable end into the IM-Clean OBD device. Next, plug the IM-Clean OBD device's AC power adapter into the power strip. Complete the installation of the IM-Clean OBD device by attaching the DLC test connector and the vehicle OBD interface cable to the IM-Clean OBD device. If using an Opus-supplied cabinet, from the front of the cabinet, plug the IM-Clean OBD device's AC power adapter into the internal power strip. Next, snake the power adapter cable through the hole in the back of the cabinet. Plug the power adapter cable end into the IM-Clean OBD device. Connect the IM-Clean OBD device's communication cable with the blue tie wrap USB plug end into the powered USB hub port number 7. To add diesel opacity inspection capabilities to your NY-VIP3 CVIS, an opacity meter with heated sample hose and vehicle interface tool needs to be installed. The opacity meter is set up for a plug-and-play connection to the workstation. The NY-VIP3 software recognizes the opacity meter during startup and allows access to diesel emissions inspection functions. If you purchased a Level 3 Safety and Integrated Opacity CVIS or a Level 4 Safety, OBD, and Integrated Opacity CVIS, your system is already configured with opacity testing software. To attach the opacity meter system to the workstation, begin with the VTech interface tool. VTech is a handheld digital tachometer and oil temperature tool that comes with attachable battery and vibration sensors and an oil temperature probe. For most diesel engines, only the battery sensor and oil temp probe will be needed. Connect the twist lock cable connectors from the oil temperature probe and the battery sensor to the VTech's pigtail connectors labeled Temp and Battery. To install the tool in the cabinet, plug the VTech's AC power adapter into the internal power strip. Next, snake the power adapter cable through the hole in the back of the cabinet. Plug the power adapter cable end into the bottom of the VTech tool. To attach the opacity meter, plug the serial cable DB9 plug end into the DB9 serial port on the micro PC. Next, connect the twist lock round plug end on the serial cable to the opacity meter. Plug one end of the opacity meter's Y power cord into the opacity meter. Plug the heated exhaust hose transformer's cord into the other line of the Y power cord. Plug the other end of the power cord into a grounded AC outlet. Connect heated exhaust sample hose to opacity unit with the clamp provided. During the initialization of the NY-VIP3 CVIS, the local workstation establishes internet connectivity with Opus's servers, registering the system, communicating with the NY-VIP3 Vehicle Information Database, or VID, and downloading the latest updates to the system's software. To initialize the CVIS, verify that the power strip is on. Press the power button on the front of the micro PC. The startup screen should appear on the monitor, and the application will launch. The software requests you to select Internet connection type. Opus strongly recommends that you use a wired connection during initialization. Click on the Enable Wired button to proceed. Most shops do not use static IP addresses for their internet connections. Click the No button to proceed. If internet connectivity is established, the pop-up dialog box will indicate "Connection is successful." If the pop-up dialog box indicates a network connection error, verify that your internet connection to the workstation is good. If the error message returns, contact Opus at 866-OBD-TEST for assistance. With internet connectivity established, click the OK button to proceed. Next, enter the 10-digit serial number assigned to your CVIS. The serial number is the number on the label attached to the micro PC or the back of the cabinet. It may take several minutes for the initialization process to complete. An initialization status review screen is displayed, indicating that the system is initialized. The facility information is displayed for review. If the facility information is not correct, click the Cancel button. Otherwise, click the Continue button to proceed. When communications are complete, the main menu screen appears. Your NY-CVIS is now configured and initialized. Please leave your NY-VIP3 inspection system on the main menu to allow for automatic software updates to be downloaded.